Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Bankwest credit card. To cancel your Bankwest credit card, the first thing to do is to launch open a web browser. Now inside the URL box, type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official website for Bankwest, from where you can click on the Contact Us link at the top right corner. Once you're inside the Contact Us tab, scroll down and get to the Ways to Get in Touch tab. Here you will have options. Make sure you call the number and then talk to the customer service representative and tell them that you would like to cancel your credit card. You can also send a message to the customer service representative that you no longer need your card. Click on the Message Us in Online Banking option and make sure to sign into your online banking account first. Type in your personal access number and password associated with your online banking account, and after you are signed in, it'll allow you to send a message stating that you'd like to cancel your credit card to the customer service representative. Be sure to provide any information or documents for identity verification. Also ensure that you have no outstanding balance on the card before cancellation. Bankwest might require full payment before closing the account, so make sure you've done all of that in order to confirm and cancel your card. So that is how you can easily cancel Bankwest credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.